We can thank the Romans for bringing us lovage. It is the most amazing culinary herb, and you should only ever use the young leaves. Don't use the mature big leaves, they start to taste bitter, but the young leaves taste of celery and beef. But the mature leaves were used by the Romans as a deodorant and a latter-day odorator, where they used to put it in their boots because they didn't wear socks to make their feet smell good. And I have very fond memories of the Royal Horticultural Society halls at Christmas when we used to do the Christmas show. And Burncoos, a nursery I know very well, used to bring us Lovage and Brandy and a wonderful saffron cake to celebrate Christmas. So this herb is not just great with potatoes, with soup, and with all kinds of things that you actually want that celery beefy flavour. It is also really good for making sort of shrubs and liqueurs, and also it goes with brandy, which apparently makes you randy.